I thought I would just do this really quick video about something similar to magicsand on oneshotmc. Quite a lot of friends now know about it, but still not a lot of people know about it. So I'll start about it. Okay, my game just alt-tabbed randomly. What you have? Okay. I'm hitting the Windows button, my bad. You have a dispenser. It's called, yeah. Does this work actually? Wait, hold on. Yes, it does. Okay, good. Wait, oh no, it's wonderful. Okay, sorry about the weird intro. You have a dispenser on one shop called I don't know why it isn't called M.1. So on oneshotmc you have something called multi-TNT. It's a thing where you could summon a bunch of TNT out of a dispenser at the same time, even though it's a game take after a real dispenser. Whatever. You could also do that with sand. So I thought to do a quick method, an easy method sorry, that you can set up in a quick way. So whenever this powers for long enough, it's gonna send a signal through here. A comparator, yeah, whatever you can call this, because this is a comparator set to subtractor mode and this is just a normal comparator, whatever. Powering this, pulsing M.1 dispensers filled to the brim with sand, because you don't want to have any other pieces of sand. You don't want to have any other piece of item in it, because that could mess it up. Like, it needs to be full. If there's one empty spot, it could be TNT filled. I'm gonna show how this works. See, it refills. Let me just shoot an arrow into it. If I can hit it. Boom. It's gonna do a bunch of shots. This can is meant to be at 2-second auto adjust. So, something I probably will release too. As you can see, it held up with all the shots on auto. Here I have a 0.5 that I never finished because I ran into some weird issues with whatever chunk loading. It works on 1 second there because that's it. On the 0.5 is 2 alternating 1 second comms. So you could do it at speed. And yeah. So that's basically this quick tip about this. Yeah, don't mind about the big nuke, just yeah. The real cannon, whenever I finish it, I'll probably release. It's a 12 game thick nuke meant to destroy obsidian better than nukes do now in 2 shots. If you want a real good obsidian nuke, do like 30 to 32 game ticks and you should be fine. But I'm not gonna go into that. I'll probably do that on a different topic. But this is just multi or magicsand on oneshotmc, or a similar method to magicsand on oneshotmc. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tip, and I'll see you next time. Peace.